Hello my dear students, welcome to BYJU'S exam prep. Hope you guys are fine. So guys, without any delay, let's start the session quickly. I'll be teaching you and I'll be discussing with you my 10 questions on RCC. So why to wait? Let's start the session quickly. But before we move, few things, if you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, you can join my Telegram group so that you don't miss any of my classes which are coming in the row. After this, guys, you can scan this QR code and install the BYJU'S exam prep app in which I take classes, and you can download the app and you can access to my classes which I have already taken. So you can check out the recorded lectures as well. Apart from that, guys, if you are targeting for ISRO, we have a revision quiz for that in the app. So bit.ly link is there in the description box. You can download the app from there as well. After that, guys, this year we are very happy to announce that our students have performed outstandingly well. We have got 5 ranks under All India 10, 29 under All India 50, and 37 ranks under All India 100. After this, guys, next if I talk it about on this coming Sunday, 24th of December, a scholarship test is there. Flexibility of timing is there. You can give the test anytime between 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. in the evening, and you can get scholarship up to 90%. So you can start your GATE preparation with us. After that, guys, we are having All India Open Mega Mock Test. So this mock test will be going on from 16th of December to 22nd of December. So you guys can enroll for this mock test as well. So I've informed you with all the important things. Now let's start with the session without any delay. So I guess you guys are ready for it. So let's be quick. Okay, guys. So I'm done, and now we'll start with the session quickly without any delay. Okay, guys. So first question for you guys is this one. This is an MCQ question for 1 marks. So this is an MCQ question and this is for 1 mark. Come on, guys. I'm waiting for your answers. Come on. When benter bars are provided, their contribution towards shear reinforcement shall not be more than that of dash the total shear to be resisted through shear reinforcement. Very good, Arvind. So when you're providing bent-up bars, they should resist the shear for sure, but the shear resistance which they have to resist shall not be more than 50% of the entire total shear which has to be resisted by the shear reinforcement. So 50% is correct. Correct one. Second question. This is an NAT question. You have to answer correct up to 2 decimal places. This time I have changed the little every time I am asking anchorage, elastic shortening. So this time I am asking you frictional loss. Okay. So you have to calculate the frictional loss, guys. So if you know the frictional loss, P, delta P will be what? P minus Px. If you remember the formula, then you will be able to solve it. P 1 minus e to the power minus kx plus mu alpha. This is the formula. Guys, you can solve it right now. You can use your scientific calculator, but if you're okay with virtual calculator, you can use that also. Now, pre-stressing force is given to me as how much? 1500 kilonewton. Check it out. It is already given to me. Okay, 1 minus E. K is given to me 0.0015. So 0.0015. Talking about X. What is X, guys? Come on. Nobody is answering. You don't know. KD also you call it. Some people call it as KX. Some people call it as KD. This is what the span. Span is given to you as 12 meter. So 12 meter is the span. Mu coefficient of friction is 0.35. In this question, it can be a 2 marks question if in this question alpha is not given to you. And that is the thing which will make it a 2 marks question. So from here you can calculate tan alpha will come out to be how much? 0.1, because mm I'll convert it into meter, so 0.1 divided by 3. So from here, if you calculate alpha in radians, because you have to substitute alpha in radians, guys. So if you are using calculators, so you can go for shift and mod. I'm using 991 ES plus calculator. So from here, you will select the fourth option, that is radian. So from here, tan inverse 0.1 divided by 3. So from here, the value you will get in alpha value in radian will be 0.0333. Now alpha, which you will be substituting, basically this is theta. I'll take theta. I'll take this as theta. So alpha will be 2 times the theta radian. So if I'll multiply by 2, I'll be getting how much? 0.0666. So I'll substitute it here, 0.0666. Kindly solve this and you will get the answer. Yeah, calculations point of view, this is an NAT question. It might be slightly lengthy for you. That's why I've taken it for 2 marks. Come on. First of all, you should know the formula. Then you should know in this question how to calculate alpha. That's the only thing which you need to know. Other than that, nothing else is required. How much it is coming, guys? Have you solved this? Just solve it and check it out. Is it coming 60.75 kilonewton? Because you have to answer correct up to 2 decimal places. 63.26. Okay, then I'll check it out once. 1500. Arvind, you also tell me 60.47. Okay, let's check it out. Minus. Just you guys also check it once more and I'll also do that. 0.0015. I guess you might have put the decimal to correctly put kiya hoga. Plus 0.35 into 0. Okay. From here it is coming 60.702. Kindly check it once. You are using virtual calculator or what? 60.702 I am getting. So 60.702. So I can write it as 60.70. Roundabout. Okay. So this is the answer for the second question in which you have to calculate the frictional loss. Now this is 1 marks question. MCQ. 1 mark MCQ. As per IS 456-2000, design method for torsion. So this has been mentioned in the code of IS 456-2000. Design method for torsion is based on. Come on, guys. Design method for torsion is based on what? Anybody? Nah, it is not based on ranking theory. No. Not sure. A is not right. D is also not right. So now you will say from B and C. Nah, it is based on skew bending theory. So design method for torsion is based on skew bending theory. Now, this is the MSQ question for you guys. Which of the following statements are correct about interaction curve? Come on, answer it. Nobody will see what I am writing. Come on. Read all the statements and tell this is an MSQ question. You're telling for which one? Just tell me that also. You're telling for fourth one, then kindly write fourth number. Come on, guys. Anybody? Arvind, Vansh, come on. Come on. At least give a try. By the way, in MSQ, you're not going to get a negative marking. So you can try. Which of the following statements are correct about interaction curves? See. First of all, yes, interaction curves are non-dimensional curve and there 3 regions are there. What are the 3 regions? 3 regions, I have written it also for you guys if they ask you this also. Minimum eccentricity region, tension control region and compression control region. Three regions are also there and it is used for load calculations if the members are subjected to axial load or if they are subjected to uniaxial bending. So all the three statements are correct. As a number of students, I want to ask you. What do you want to ask me? Tell me. 1, 2, 3. All the statements are correct. Okay. Now, next statement, if I talk it about, this is an MCQ. You have to tell me. Pick up the incorrect option from the following. Come on. Pick up the incorrect option among the following. Come on, guys. Quick, quick, quick. Pick up the incorrect question from the following. See, actually, some people might be right now busy with some other things. So afterwards, you see the views, it will increase for sure. Okay, so if you are asking that thing, I'm thinking you're asking some other thing. This is an MCQ, Arvind. Thoda sa, you're correct partially, but some more things are needed. Yes, every year which we tell, generally it comes. Okay, this is my 10 questions. Others 10 questions can vary. Okay, so obviously it will be different for different persons. Okay. Now pick up the incorrect statement from the following. Yes, Vansh is correct. The minimum grade of plain concrete which you use along the seacoast, yes, you can use M30, but the minimum grade is M20. It has asked you M20. So the first statement which is given is incorrect. Flexural tensile strength of concrete of M30 is 0.7 root 30. So from here you will get 3.83 only. This is correct. Steel 1.15 is the safety factor. Concrete it is 1.5. Now last statement, principle of superposition is valid. So when it is valid, can you tell me? When stress strain relationship is proportional and linear, and the second is geometry of the structure is not changing with the application of load. So all these are the correct statements, the one which is incorrect. Now simultaneously they can ask you in the form of MSQ also, that pick up the correct options. If they would have asked you correct options, then B, C, D would have been the correct one. Got it? Okay. Now, next question. Now, this is a 2 marks MCQ question, and this will require a lot of calculations because here you have to talk about the allowable pitch. Okay. I don't want any negative people. Okay. How to calculate the maximum allowable pitch? Here they have told you that helical reinforcement is there. So how will you do that? For helical reinforcement, you already know that 0.36 FCK by Fy. Okay, I guess you know that. Fine. You solve it, I'll also solve it. Otherwise, it will take a lot of amount of time. Will be less than VH by VC. Correct? Okay. Now, quickly we have to calculate the gross area, the area of the core, VH, VC, and then we are done. 0.36. FCK is 25. Fy is 415. I guess that person who asked is there right now. Now he can see. Okay, gross area. Gross area they have told 400 mm diameter column is there. So pi by 4, 400. Kindly solve it once. Kindly solve it one. Pi by 4, 400. Pi by 4 into 400 square. So this will come out to be 12566.371706. It is coming mm square. This I can check it out. Now what I have to calculate? I have to calculate area of core also. Area of core anybody has calculated, or I only have to calculate? Pi by 4 DC square. Pi by 4, the dia is 400 minus 2 into the clear cover which is 40. Okay, solve it. I'll only solve it. Pi by 4 bracket 400 minus 80. So this comes out to be 80424.77 mm square. So you can substitute these values. 125,663.71 divided by 80,424.77 minus 1 is less than equal to, they will be in single line, but since question is written, so I'm writing like this, will be equal to. Now what is the volume? Can you tell me the volume? Volume VH is 1000 by P into pi dH into pi by 4 phi h square. Pitch is something which I need to calculate. Other things are given to me, so I can calculate it. Come on guys. dH is dC minus phi h. Dia of the core 400 minus 80. 400 minus 80, that is 320. 320 minus 10, that is 310. Anybody got the answer? Arvind? Anybody else? No, I cannot see anybody's answer right now. Okay, so this will come 310. Pi by 4, phi h, that is 10 square. So you can solve this. You can solve it quickly. इसको पूरे को solve करना पड़ेगा. That's why if this question comes, I'm telling you the longest questions which they can ask you related to the columns. If they give you, kindly mark for review. When you're done with all the questions, then kindly come to this question. Okay, how much it is coming? I'll only solve them. 1000 into pi into 310 into pi into 10 square divided by 4. So you will get 76489,434 divided by pitch. 76489,434 divided by pitch into VH. VH will be how much? VC will be how much? AC into 1000. VH is volume, na? VC is what? Volume. Volume will be AC into 1000. AC you have already calculated, 80424.77 into 1000. Do that. किसी का आया? So solve कर लो तो 8042 इसको लेफ्ट होती हूँ पहले 8042.77. Okay. Anybody has got the pitch? From here, just check it out once. मेरे head पे तो strike नहीं कर रहा ना. Just check it out once. That मेरे head पे तो नहीं होती यार, ये मेरा पीछे चल गया. Okay, fine. So from here, the pitch, if you will calculate, it will come out to be less than round about 78.51 mm. And check it out, that is given in the question also. Solution basically in options MCQ it is given. But you should know all the criterias which have been done. What are the criterias? That pitch has to be less than 75 mm and more than 25 mm. This is one criteria. Next criteria is pitch has to be more than 3 phi h, but it has to be less than DC by 6. So 3 phi h, that is 30 mm and DC by 6. This dia of core came out to be how much? 320. So 320 by 6. Has anybody got the answer? 320 by 6 means 53.33. And the pitch which you got was how much? 78.51. So now first you calculated the pitch. Now you should know all these conditions. So which will be the options which you will select? See, it cannot be more than 75. So this is gone. This is gone. It cannot be less than 30. So the option which will remain will be 53.33 mm. Got it? So this, if it wants to ask you the longest question, like this year in afternoon session, they ask the longest question for area velocity method. So if they want to do something like this, they can do that. Okay. Now, seventh question MCQ. Come on, guys. Correct, Arvind. Got that. Now here. Come on, this question, guys. द डेकोरेटिव कैप जो नेवल पोस्ट के ऊपर जो लगा रहता है दैट इज कॉल्ड फाइनल, करेक्ट है. द हॉरिजॉन्टल पोर्शन बिटवीन ईच ट्रेड, और ये ऊपर होता है राइजर. ओके, यू हैव लाइक दिस ना, टिक 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 टिक. So this tread, the horizontal portion between each tread is known as going. गलत है. क्या बोलते हैं? Going is the horizontal projection of the flight. So I'll write it also. Going is the horizontal projection of the flight. So correct. One is only correct. Correct, Arvind. Now, moving to the 8th question. Now, this is a very good question. I'll tell you, I will not tell you round. First, you have to calculate it. So, in this question, a beam is there whose width is given to you, depth is given to you, cover is given to you. Flexural moment is given, shear force is given, torsion moment is given to you. It is asking you the design bending moment. How will you calculate the design bending moment? This is a good question. First, you have to check it out. The shear stress which you are getting, is it more than or less than the critical shear stress? So first you need to calculate tau V. For calculating tau V, you need to calculate V equivalent. And for calculating V equivalent, you need to apply the formula. V equivalent is equal to Vu plus 1.6 Tu by B. Correct? How much is given to you? Shear force 22 kilonewton. Torsional moment is given to you as 11. And width is given to you as 325 mm. So convert it into meters. How much it is coming? Solve it. 76.15 kilonewton. Now, 76.15 equivalent shear force, kilonewton converted into newton, divided by width, that is 325, divided by width and depth, that is 480. So here mm square. Solve it, you will get the shear stress. How much it is coming? When you will solve it, you will get it. How much it will come? एक बारी just check it out. ये आएगा 0.488. जो shear stress आप निकाले हो and the critical shear stress tau VE is less than tau C, तो आपको कोई torsional reinforcement provide करने की जरूरत नहीं है पहले. And whatever is the design bending moment कितना है क्वेश्चन में? 175 kilonewton meter. यही flexural moment आ जाएगा. So design bending moment and design flexural moment is same. देखो, in question only the answer is given. तो मैं सोचा कुछ तूफानी अगर ऐसा पूछ ले तो. So design bending moment is equal to design flexural moment. तो आंसर हो जाएगा 175 kilonewton meter. क्योंकि tau v is less than tau c, तो हमें जरूरत ही नहीं है. Got that? चलिए. Now, next question. Here tapered section लिया गया है. Here tapered निकाल सकते हैं, इफेक्टिव डेप्थ निकालना तो वो भी निकाल सकते हैं. मैंने इसको डी ले लिया. अगर अच्छा यहाँ पर कवर दिया था ना 325 माइनस 30, ठीक है, उसको कर दो. कर भी देते अगर मैं इसको 480 माइनस 30, कैलकुलेटर 480 450, तो भी कम ही आएगा. यू कैन डू दैट. 0.52 बोल दिया इसने, तो भी कमी है. लेस देन 1.8 MP है. ठीक है, चलिए. Now this question. In this question, what you have to do is you have to calculate design shear stress. अब यहाँ पे भी you have to निकालना less than tau c है, 1.38 से कमी है. Okay, here you have to calculate the design shear stress. अब here tapered section is there, so यहाँ पे सिर्फ formula if you know you will be able to solve it. Vu minus mu by d tan beta divided by bd. Now बस एक चीज है, here working shear force is given and working bending moment is given. So first you have to convert. Shear force कितना हो जाएगा? 1.5 into 100, that is 150 kilonewton. Okay, so यहाँ पर हुआ 150 minus ये 150 में भी 1.5 का कर दोगे तो 225 किलो न्यूटन मीटर। अब इसको मैं क्या करती हूँ, सबको मैं न्यूटन पर एमएम स्क्वायर में करती हूँ। किलो न्यूटन मीटर है, सो कन्वर्टेड इनटू 10⁻⁶। डेप्थ कितना लूं मैं? डेप्थ व्हाट आई विल टेक द डेप्थ भी तो बता दो। डेप्थ कितना लूं? कोई नहीं बताएगा डेप्थ लेना है और टैन बीटा लेना है, दोनों चीज बस बता दो। व्हाट विल बी द डेप्थ विच आई विल टेक गाइस? 300? कोई 150 भी बोल दो। व्हाट डेप्थ आई विल टेक? विड्थ तो दिया है क्वेश्चन में, 200 लूंगी। 200 लूंगी कि 210 लूंगी? विड्थ तो दिया है, विड्थ कांस्टेंट है 250 mm। बता दो मैम, अगर कोई गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है तो आईआईटी से एमएससी कर सकता है क्या? अगर एनओसी मिल जाता, नो ऑब्जेक्शन सर्टिफिकेट, तो कर सकता है। गुड इवनिंग अभी। डेप्थ एट सेक्शन ए 150। बताओ, मुझे तो नहीं पता, मैं तो आपसे पूछ रही हूँ। क्या लोगे? व्हाट डेप्थ यू विल टेक? करेक्ट। 250 minus 40 that is 210। आप ही बोल रहे हो, मैं तो लिख रही हूँ बस। ओके, एनओसी के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? एनओसी के लिए अपने हायर ऑफिशियल से बात करनी पड़ेगी। कितना आ रहा है? हाउ मच यू आर गेटिंग? ये सही है कि नहीं बताओ। ओके, so 1.84 which is there in the option also, so 1.84 will be the answer. Got that? चलिए, next question and last question. This is an MCQ. RCC में MSQ ज्यादा पूछे नहीं जाते, so that's why I've kept only one MSQ. MCQs and NAT ज्यादा रखा है। ये तो बता दो कि पहला क्वेश्चन was bent up bar, so this question again. फर्स्ट ही क्वेश्चन था। Come on guys. The contribution of bent up bars in resisting shear force is limited to 1/4. अभी बताया था फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन में, इट इज लिमिटेड टू 50%। बेंट अप बार्स का हाफ है, 1/4 नहीं है, 50% है। सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट। ओके, सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट, bent up bars are ineffective in resisting shear stress in case of reversal of stress is correct। जब भी स्ट्रेस रिवर्सल होता है then bent up bars are not being effective, तो वो इनफेक्टिव होता है। सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज फॉल्स बट स्टेटमेंट 2 इज ट्रू। बोथ रॉन्ग कैसे है? रिवर्सल ऑफ स्ट्रेसेस में जनरली वी डोंट गो फॉर बेंट अप बार्स। तो सही तो लिखा स्टेटमेंट। सी कैसे होगा? अच्छा, सी किस चीज के लिए लिख रहे हो, मुझे तो ये भी नहीं पता। ओके फाइन, so this is the 10 questions which I have told you. Some questions related to slabs and alls and effective spans I've already made you solve in the crash course part, तो same questions को लेने का कोई logic नहीं था। related to span and related to slab and effective spans, तो उसको मैंने नहीं लिया है। But these are some new questions because obviously वो PYQs वापस copy paste करना, that doesn't make sense. Okay, so some new questions I've taken, like वो pitch वाले questions हो गए and some MSQ, so that you know about interaction curve, so that you can know the variety of questions which can be asked. Okay, ma'am, I've cracked the SSC CHS, now I want to do MSc from IIT. Yes, you can do it. या तो आप अभी join नहीं किया तो so don't join it. Okay, आप उनसे extension ले लो, they'll provide you with the extension. Kindly contact to your this one. Okay, guys, you can join my Telegram group for further upcoming classes and you don't miss any. And I'll be coming with hydrology and irrigation questions on Friday at 8:30 p.m. And we have launched crash course for GATE 2024 and we have launched full syllabus course for GATE 2025 and 2026. You guys can enroll for that also. मैं कितने टाइम फ्री हूँ? मैं कितने टाइम फ्री हूँ मैं सोच रही हूँ, क्योंकि कल मेरी मॉर्निंग में भी क्लास है. मैं शाम को 4 बजे फ्री हूँ कल. ठीक है वर्षा, जस्ट टॉक टू योर हायर अथॉरिटीज. अगर आपने अभी ज्वाइन नहीं किया है तो फिर आप उसमें अभी उसमें अपनी ज्वाइनिंग डेट डिले कर सकते हो और यू कैन कंप्लीट कर सकते हो अपनी एमएससी फ्रॉम आईआईटी. अगर आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है तो आप एनओसी ले लो और उसके बाद आप पे मत लो और आप अपना एमएससी कर सकते हो फ्रॉम आईआईटी. Okay, you can do both the things. Fine. So that's all for today, guys. We'll meet you soon with hydrology and irrigation questions. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye. Good night and study hard. Thank you, everyone.